Wagwan, Jamaica. Everything blessed. I'm Nicola, born and raised in Jamaica, currently living in Canada, and I'm a member of the LGBTQ community. Even though I'm no longer living in Jamaica, I still absolutely love my island. I love and miss the food, I miss the culture, and I absolutely love the music. But here Wagwan, here Wagwan. Don't you think it's time we come together as a nation and we love each other, we respect each other, and we accept each other irrespective of one's sexual orientation? I mean, after all, out of many, we are one people. I think it's time. I think it's time we move in that direction as a people. So, one, big up on yourself, and one, love up Jamaica. Cool? All right.